Men over 40 eat these foods to safeguard your prostate and fertility. Once a man reaches 40, his body begins to change in ways that often go unnoticed at first. Hormone levels decline, energy may dip, and health concerns that were once distant suddenly become more relevant. Two of the most critical issues at this stage of life are prostate health and fertility. The prostate gland, though small, has a big impact on urinary comfort, sexual health, and reproductive ability. At the same time, sperm quality, including count, motility, and structure, often declines with age, making it harder to maintain fertility. But here's the empowering truth. The foods you choose to eat can play a major role in safeguarding both your prostate and your fertility. Modern research confirms that natural compounds in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds can reduce inflammation, protect DNA, improve circulation, and balance hormones. Let's explore in detail the foods that men over 40 should focus on to strengthen their prostate and preserve fertility naturally. 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are famous for their rich content of lycopene, a red plant pigment, and one of the most studied antioxidants for prostate health. Lycopene concentrates in prostate tissue and acts as a powerful shield against oxidative stress. Multiple large studies, including one from Harvard, found that men who regularly consumed tomatoes and tomato products had a 30 to 35% lower risk of prostate cancer. Cooking tomatoes enhances lycopene availability. Tomato sauce, paste, and soups provide higher concentrations than raw tomatoes, and pairing them with olive oil improves absorption. For fertility, lycopene also helps improve sperm motility and morphology. In clinical trials, men who consumed lycopene supplements or tomato-rich diets showed better sperm quality, including increased movement and fewer structural abnormalities. Add tomatoes into your daily meals as sauces, salads, or fresh slices. Even a glass of tomato juice is an easy way to get a prostate and fertility boost. 2. Broccoli and cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, kale, cabbage, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are part of the cruciferous vegetable family. They contain glucosinolates, which the body converts into sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol. These compounds help detoxify harmful substances and influence hormone metabolism in ways that protect the prostate. Research shows that sulforaphane activates genes that fight cancer and suppresses genes that promote tumor growth. Men who regularly eat cruciferous vegetables are less likely to develop aggressive prostate cancer. For fertility, cruciferous vegetables are equally important because they assist the body in managing excess estrogen. When estrogen is balanced, testosterone remains more active, and this supports healthy sperm production. Lightly steaming cruciferous vegetables preserves their compounds. Aim for 3 to 4 servings weekly for measurable benefits. 3. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a nutrient-dense fruit rich in polyphenols, tannins, and ellagic acid. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation, protect prostate cells, and slow the rise of PSA levels in men with prostate concerns. Pomegranate also supports fertility. It improves blood flow, enhances erectile function, and has been linked in studies to better sperm concentration, motility, and testosterone levels. Drink a small glass of unsweetened pomegranate juice daily, sprinkle seeds on salads, or blend them into smoothies. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are a time-tested natural remedy for prostate and urinary issues. They are an excellent source of zinc, which is highly concentrated in the prostate. Men with low zinc levels face a higher risk of prostate enlargement and poor sperm production. Beyond zinc, pumpkin seeds contain phytosterols, which help reduce urinary symptoms associated with benign prostate enlargement. For fertility, zinc is critical for sperm count, sperm shape, and testosterone production. Studies confirm that zinc deficiency is one of the leading nutritional causes of male infertility. Eat a handful of raw or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds daily. Sprinkle them on oatmeal or salads, or blend them into smoothies. 5. Berries. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries are loaded with antioxidants, flavonoids, and vitamin C. These nutrients reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the prostate. For fertility, antioxidants play a protective role by defending sperm DNA against oxidative damage. This is vital because DNA fragmentation in sperm is a common reason for infertility. In fact, men who consume more vitamin C and flavonoids often have healthier sperm with improved motility. Eat at least 1 cup of mixed berries daily, fresh or frozen. Add them to breakfast cereals, yogurt, or enjoy as a snack. 6. Green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, especially EGCG, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. These catechins slow the growth of abnormal prostate cells and may reduce prostate cancer risk. For fertility, green tea antioxidants protect sperm from DNA damage and improve overall sperm quality. In laboratory studies, low doses of green tea catechins enhanced sperm motility and viability. Drink 1 to 2 cups of freshly brewed green tea daily. Avoid excessive consumption, as too much caffeine can cause sleep disturbances. 7. Watermelon. Watermelon contains both lycopene and citrulline. Lycopene supports prostate health, while citrulline improves blood vessel dilation and circulation. Better circulation means better nutrient delivery to the prostate and reproductive organs. For fertility, improved circulation enhances erectile function and supports sperm transport. Citrulline is also a precursor to arginine, an amino acid linked to better semen volume. Eat watermelon as a refreshing snack or blend it into natural juice during summer. 8. Garlic and onions. Garlic and onions contain organosulfur compounds that support immune defenses, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of prostate disease. For fertility, garlic is known to improve blood flow and may boost testosterone levels. It also increases enzymes that protect sperm against oxidative stress. Onions, meanwhile, have been shown in studies to significantly increase testosterone production and sperm count. Use garlic and onions generously in cooking, soups, stir-fries, roasted vegetables, or even raw in salads. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory agents. It reduces prostate swelling, blocks harmful cell growth, and supports overall prostate wellness. In fertility, curcumin helps maintain healthy testosterone levels and reduces oxidative damage to sperm cells, keeping them strong and functional. Combine turmeric with black pepper and healthy fats like olive oil to improve absorption. Add it to curries, soups, or teas. 10. Carrots. Carrots are abundant in beta-carotene and carotenoids. These antioxidants lower oxidative damage in prostate tissue and reduce the risk of prostate cancer. For fertility, studies show that beta-carotene improves sperm motility. Men with higher intake of carotenoid-rich foods tend to have sperm that move faster and function better. Snack on raw carrots, juice them with other vegetables, or include them in cooked dishes. 11th. Walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, and antioxidants. These nutrients support sperm structure and vitality. Research shows that men who eat walnuts daily experience better sperm motility, vitality, and morphology. For prostate health, walnuts provide compounds that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, lowering cancer risk. Add a small handful of walnuts to your daily diet, in salads, cereals, or as a snack. 12th. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are excellent sources of vitamin C. This vitamin reduces the risk of prostate enlargement and strengthens immune defenses. For fertility, vitamin C prevents sperm clumping, improves motility, and boosts sperm count. Clinical studies show that daily vitamin C supplementation improves semen quality significantly. Eat fresh citrus fruit daily or drink freshly squeezed juice. 13. Bananas. Bananas provide vitamin B6, vitamin C, potassium, and the enzyme bromelain, which supports reproductive health and sexual function. For fertility, bananas help regulate energy and hormone levels while improving sperm health. Bromelain may naturally enhance libido and fertility. Eat bananas daily as a snack or add them to smoothies. 14. Leafy greens. Spinach, Swiss chard, and kale are packed with folate, magnesium, and antioxidants. Folate is essential for DNA integrity in sperm, while magnesium supports testosterone function. Studies show that men with higher folate intake have fewer abnormal sperm and better fertility outcomes. Leafy greens also lower prostate inflammation and support healthy hormone metabolism. Include leafy greens daily in salads, omelets, or smoothies. Prostate health and fertility often decline after 40, but diet offers a powerful way to slow or even reverse these changes. Foods like tomatoes, broccoli, pomegranate, pumpkin seeds, berries, green tea, watermelon, garlic, turmeric, carrots, walnuts, citrus fruits, bananas, and leafy greens provide the nutrients and compounds that reduce inflammation, protect DNA, balance hormones, and strengthen both prostate and sperm health. By making these foods a regular part of your diet, you safeguard your vitality, fertility, and long-term prostate health, naturally. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based health content designed for men over 40